In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Live Earth app. So this is one of the most useful apps I've seen on Google Play Store. You can get it on Apple Store if you're using iPhones, or you can get it on Play Store if you're using an Android. So this is how the interface looks like. So when you hop on like this, you can see the setting button at the top left corner of your screen. Just tap on that and you can remove ads if you want to go pro, and you can contact customer service, and I think that's it. And now let's get into the main features of the app. So the first feature is the live view, and it's going to help you get a satellite picture of the place you are located, and you can even enter your address at the address section there, and you get the location to a satellite picture of it. And then this is 7 wonders. This is some nice places you can view there. So I'm sure this app is using Google API, so you just look at how the place looks like instantly. Yeah, very much nice. And the same applied to the other feature, which is the famous places. So these are some of the famous places on Earth that you can also view the same way. Yeah, if you want to visit there, you can just look at them this way before you try to visit that place. Yeah, and now let's look at the next feature, which is nearby. So if you find yourself somewhere and you need a nearby hospital, police station, gas station or something, what you're going to do is you select what you want. So let's say I want a nearby gas station. The nearby gas station, what I'm going to do is I turn on my location on my phone and I tap on the button you see here, the arrow on your screen, and it's going to find the nearest fuel station for you. That's it for the nearby places, and you can also find live traffic too as well. Very simple. You tap on that and you tap on the location too. It's going to let you know places that are busy and places that there are no traffic. Yeah, so it's going to use mobile phones there to track and see whether there are a lot of people there. That's how it works. And you can share your location with the app too as well. You can use it as a compass. You can also scan codes too as well. So it's very simple. You see the camera is working now and I can scan. And now let's come back here. Good. And this is speedometer. So this is a speedometer, and let's say you are driving or you are in a car, you can get to know the speed you are going. If you are riding a bicycle too, you can choose the cycle. If you are on a train, you can choose the train too as well. You tap on the start to start. After that, you save it. Very simple. And this is the location tracker. So let's say you are going somewhere, you just tap on here like this and you tap on the start, and it's going to track your locations. After tracking your location, it will save it, and then it will come to my tracks here, and you're going to see it here. So that's it about the Live Earth app. Very simple and easy to use. It has some good features and some live satellite pictures that you can use if you are visiting a place. So that's it. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.